Our client aimed to quickly launch a high-performance 3D printer, but faced challenges such as long R&D cycles, scattered resources, and complex supply chains. Jakosmart tailored a full-stack 3D printer ODM solution, covering structural design, hardware selection, software development, full machine testing, and mass production. In just 3 months, we helped our client bring their concept to life. The product is now successfully entering the European and US markets.
Working with Jakosmart saved us 50% of development time and gave our product a competitive edge.